Hi there, students. Bad blood. Okay, and now, normally in the phrase, bad blood between two people or two groups, there's bad blood between them, okay? This means that they hate each other's guts. Yeah, there is animosity, enmity between the two groups, feelings of hate, normally because of arguments in the past or things that have happened in the past. Yeah, there has been bad blood between the two families for generations. It's like a blood feud, ill feeling. Yeah, don't leave these two together because there's a lot of bad blood between them. Yeah, they just don't get on. Hostility, anger, offense, resentment, yeah, a feeling of hostility, ill feeling, mutual enmity. So if there's bad blood, they hate each other. It goes in both directions. Yeah. This very often talks about a feud, a long-standing grudge. Yeah, they both are angry about things that have happened in the past between them. There is a lot of bad blood between these two, and they're always arguing. Yeah, such was the bad blood between them that they started to hit each other. Okay, yeah, there was a blood feud, a vendetta between them. They were wanting to hurt each other because they hated each other. Okay, so let's see. In the past, the blood was viewed as the place where human emotions came from. Yeah, and it's blood is associated with temper and anger. And then originally there was, or in the past, there was this a phrase, ill blood. You could say this, there is ill blood between them. It's probably a bit old-fashioned. And then finally, Charles Lamb, in Essays of Elia, first used this. He coined the phrase. Okay, so there's bad blood between two people. They just don't get on. They don't get on at all. When the when the first settlers came to this country, there was a lot of bad blood between the natives who already lived there and the indigenous people. The situation has become a crisis due to the bad blood between them. So, bad blood, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use this just about anywhere. Yeah, in something very formal, yes, I suppose, maybe not, but informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, maybe just about something very formal as well. Yeah, and the idea is that there is ill feeling, that the blood is hot and angry, and that's the idea. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. There's bad blood between them.